Good day everyone, this is Group 2 and we are about to present to you the different types of permutations being applied to real life situations. I hope that you would appreciate our work and now let's get into it.
Permutation is an arrangement of objects in which order is important. Each arrangement can be made using all or some elements in the set of objects without repetition.
In how many ways can 5 customers be arranged in a straight line?
P is equals to n factorial over quantity n minus r factorial. We can solve the problem. Remember that if the n and r are equal or the same, the formula will become P is equal to n factorial. So P is equal to 5 factorial because our n is 5. So 5 factorial is equal to 120.
So, overall, you've learned that there were 120 ways can 5 customers be arranged in a straight line.
Permutation that can be distinguished from one another in the case of the number of things where each is different from the other.
Chairs with different colors needed that the different colors of chairs must be placed beside each other.
Distinguishable permutation, get the total number of the chair factorial, which is 10, and divide by the frequency of the chairs with the same color, which is 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. 10 factorial is equal to 3,628,800. And the 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial is equal to 32. So we need to divide the 3,628,800 to 32 and we will get the 113,400 ways. This is the ways we can arrange the chairs according to their colors.
Problem for distinguishable permutation. Mrs. Summer's selection wants to change her username in Facebook. In how many ways can the word resurrection be arranged? Here is the solution. As we all know, the formula for the distinguishable permutation is k is equal to n factorial over n sub 1 factorial, n sub 2 factorial, and n sub 3 factorial. So, the word resurrection has 12 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. So, we put it here, 12 factorial, because n is equal to the number of the letters. Then, in here, the r in resurrection is repeated 3 times. The e in resurrection is repeated 2 times. The c in resurrection is repeated 2 times. So, we transfer it here, the denominator. 3 factorial, which stands for the r, 2 factorial, which stands for the e, and another 2 factorial, which stands for the 2. So we just solve it. 12 times, 11 times, 10 times, 9 times, 8 times, 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times 3 factorial. We cancel the 3 factorial with the 3 factorial in the denominator. So the 2 remaining in the denominator is 2 factorial and 2 factorial. So when we solve it, we get 79,833,600 divided by 4. And the answer is 19,958,400. So the final answer is, there are 19,958 and 4. Wait lang. The answer is, there are 19,958,400 ways in which the word resurrection can be arranged. Thank you.
Permutation is a permutation of elements of some set which maps the elements of some subset of X to each other in a cyclic fashion. The cyclic parts of a permutation are cycles, and a permutation is called cyclic permutation if it is as a single non-trivial cycle.
about to ride the pendulum that has 14 seats. In how many ways can 14 people be seated around the pendulum if Pauline chooses to sit at seat number 1? Our formula will be n-1 factorial divided by 2. Substitute the value, which will be 14 minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Then, 13 factorial divided by 2 is equal to 3,113,510,400, and that will be our answer. There are 3,113,510,400 ways.
As a student and a group 2 members, we found out that permutation can be applied to our daily lives. We truly understand that mathematics is everywhere and can be a really big help for us to live our life easily. On the given activity, we found it quite hard, but the help of cooperation, teamwork, and dedication, we finished it well. Again, we are the group 2, and this is our project. Thanks for watching.